This is Almamon, and today I'm talking about a snapshot software, which is native software developed by me, helped by ChatGPT. This is generative AI. Today I was facing a problem to share my snapshot. Receiver person want to the direct link of my images, so then I have to every time upload to my any server or any free image host server, and then I have to share this image to my receiver. So I have native software which is create a snapshot, then it will be sent to image server software, that it will be returned direct link, and it will be automatically copied your desktop Windows software. Then you can easily paste this link and send it to your receiver. So first of all, this is my repository to create this software native by Python. You have to clone this my repository, which is public mode available, or you can if you want to contribute this repository, you can contribute by fork. So after this repository download, it's requirements the Python 3.0, and then you have to install this pip install requirements.txt. If this run this command as per requirements. There is my repository, which is I have built already. So I am rebuild again. This is my env file. First of all, you have to change your ID and secret key from API. I have mentioned this description in my video description for this API secret key and client ID. This is Imgur endpoint, and you have to create an account in here with your email address, and then you will get the API ID from here. You will get the API endpoint plus API endpoint, which is on there. I have already created this, and you have to copy your client ID and client secret. Change this to here. You have to just create here, and you have to run some command. I'm changing this key hiddenly. This is sensitive, so I'm not sharing this. I have copied and paste my client ID and secret ID to here, and it will become from ONV get env1 total access. Now I'm trying to install this requirements. Install requirements. It will be install all of this. I have already installed this. Then we will run this Python screen this file for testing purpose. Example, I have mentioned this here to Ctrl Alt Space. Now I'm pressing on my keyboard Ctrl Alt and Space. It's running this on there and taking a snapshot. Now I am choose this area. I have choose this area. Then it's automatically direct image link. If I paste to here, you will see the link. So I'm testing this. There my direct link. Yeah, my screenshot is ready. So it is pretty cool software for your requirements. Now I'm building the software as a native app like this. For build a native app, I have to wait some seconds. After some of seconds, it will be build a exe file, execution file, which is installable to Windows. Yeah, all right. Now it's ready for execution file. I'm going to my file distribution, and this is my app. I'm just clean this app, and this is ready for me. And now I no need to run this Python script. I just close there, close, everything a close. Now I am run this app, just one click. Then I have to press the Ctrl Alt Space. It will be automatically run this script. After click on there, this is my snapshot. This is the desktop snapshot. I want to just this area. Okay. Now I got the URL. If I paste here, there is my image. If I hit the URL, you can show my desktop screenshot. You can share now your application snapshot to anywhere by link. It's pretty common.